Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 8 times y plus 4 plus 3 times y plus 5 equals 57. Solving means leaving the variable alone on one side, with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. First, combine like terms within each side. This simplifies each expression without changing its value. Combine like terms within each side. The variable coefficients on the left combine to give 11 times y. Subtract 9 from both sides so the variable term stands alone. That gives 11 times y equals 48. The variable coefficient is 11. Divide both sides by 11 to leave the variable alone. Quick check. Substitute 48 over 11 for y. Both sides equal 57, so the equation balances. So, y equals 48 over 11.